I'll be right back. Okay. That's not real quick. Wait, I got my helmet on. This is my slipper. I'm just going for the seat cover. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Well, I'm back. Just running now. I might get a GoPro soon. Maybe I might just get some tape it to my shirt. That's free. My sister at summer school. I just went by my elementary school. The summer is like it's like 9 in the morning right now. It's just what's wrong with me? Oh, it's in my shoe. It's quiet this morning. I was expecting for summer like there's a lot of kids playing around like before. I mean, I think someone just came up to me like 6 days ago, like saying their friend had a super, like, yeah, I said I want to meet him. Can't wait to see him. It's like an auto response. It's an auto response. He's looking dirty. I just almost got run over by a car because I didn't feel to stop. Morning. I don't care, I'm just gonna turn. I don't give a shit. So basically we're just like riding around. I'm just riding around this random neighborhood. It's a car behind me. Never mind. I just got scared for no reason. It looks nice. It's not like I passed here. What is that on my tire? It's a sticker. He's looking dirty. It's like an old person's house. I'm just riding. I'm just here, just riding around. I want to get a GoPro. Oop. Morning. I don't know what that was. He's looking dirty. It's just an auto response to commotion. Is that the idea? I want to go get a head. Oh, what the fuck? And that was loud. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Hi guys, I found a basic sprinkler. It's not the same color, but it looks like it. So guys, I'm picking up my sister from school. From summer school, actually. am now back on campus because I just signed out. So I'm just gonna be riding Rada up front, waiting for her. I just woke up from my sleep. I don't even know what happened. I thought I picked up my, because I had a full-on dream. Like, on my own, I had a full-on dream. And that kind of made me like, saw a downhill bike. Yeah, I'm very tired. My brother told me to wake up. And that's it. I'm not allowed back on campus. That's why I'm just like out here in the front of the school. I'm not sure if that's called campus. And I think I'm gonna. I'm gonna get you later when I pick up my sister.